Well, we're on our way for a 2-week break, eventually. Didn't go away the weekend and it was blistering weather. We stayed home, didn't do anything. And looking forward to going away on the Monday, today. But when we left this morning, it was peeing down, blimmin' typical. David's been given the all clear for his hip. Well, not for his hip. He's been given the all clear after his op, so he can drive now.
Hey, thank goodness.
And we're on our way to see a very special celebrity who David and I have been watching, and I wonder if you know who it is.
Oh, what's occurring?
This guy started YouTube about 3 years ago now, and I think when we started, we took about 6 months to get to about 500 subscribers, and this guy smashed it. He did about 10,000 subscribers for his channel in about a month. We love watching his videos, and he's a really, really nice guy. We've had a few drinks with him in the best spa a few times, and when we're at festivals and stuff we get together. However, the main thing that we go to see him about is because he is doing a build conversion, which is quite special, and he's got the same van as me. He's got a Ford Transit Custom, but it's not a high top. It is automatic, and he's got the big screen on his that I really wanted. But there we go. So we're going to go and see him and interrupt him for 15 minutes, if he can spare it, and see how far he's got with the build. We're going to visit him in the famous barn somewhere in England, where they carry out loads of van conversions, and he's doing it there. We've subscribed to his Patreon. We've been watching them every day. They've been really good. So after we visited him, we don't know where we're going. We know we're going in the direction of Norfolk, because this weekend we're going to the Motorhome and camper van show there. Never been there before, so that'll be interesting.
The Warner shows.
Yeah, the Warner shows. And they've mixed this one up a little bit. It's apparently in between the normal Motorhome and camper van shows and the camper van camper. So that'll be good. And I love going to a festival or a show that we've never been to before and share it with you. Then we are going down towards Newbury direction for a couple of days as we go into a festival called the Vanlife and Overlander Celebration Show, which I can't wait for. It's going to be fab. But I'm saying all this, you know what we like with videos. God knows when it's going to be out.
Unsubscribe.
Ads, why have you got your pants in your window?
I'll tell you why, shall I? Because
Where's the disinfectant?
I've got a lot of organisation going on. It looks like chaos in there, but everything's got its place. And you see, every day I've got fresh clothes in there, building clothes down there. I'm down to my last bit of underwear. There is a washing machine.
Down the bottom.
But I'm going back
Down the
to
bottom,
clean.
love, is Pampers.
No, that's bread.
Take your bread.
See, I'm trying to keep like work clothes separate to my fresher clothes.
Well, thanks, Ads. The van is coming on lovely. I wish you all the best, and hopefully we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
I'm planning on it.
At the festival.
What is the date of it?
It is the 24th to the 28th, I think it is.
Don't get me wrong. I mean, at the moment, I don't have anything in
What
there.
day are you on now for the build?
10 days.
10.
Yeah, this is the worrying thing. Today is day 9, and look at it. It's still a shell. That's when I posted yesterday's video. It said day 8. I was like, hang on a second. I've got 8 days on this. But by the end of
Too
today,
many distractions.
well, it's just
You know, people turning up and stopping you working, you know.
But no, by the end of today, all the walls should be done. Probably.
Excellent.
Okay.
We'll see. So yeah,
Fab,
hopefully I'll be able to make it to that event, and I'll see you then.
On that note, we'll love you and leave you.
Yeah, cheers,
It was
Az.
lovely seeing you. Thanks for stopping by.
No problems.
Big thank you to Ads for sparing, well, it was about more like an hour, wasn't it?
Oh, what?
Then 10-15 minutes. He's really, really busy. And now where are we going to go next?
We are going to Lower Wood End Farm. We have joggers.
It's been about 3 hours drive, and we've only got to drive about an hour tomorrow. So let's have a look at this. Apparently £10 a night.
To do with trimming the bushes.
Lower Wood End Farm, straight on.
Sneak in!
We didn't keep it on!
We were watching out the window to see if you pulled in.
Cheeky bit. You're right, lads. Well, hello.
How you doing?
It's been so long.
Beautiful morning here. I'm up, Rhian's still in bed because I'm feeling rough. I'm up and about. Look. Isn't it lovely to wake up to? Sun shining. Beautiful. Oh, we've got a Mary Max next door. No doubt Michelle is already up walking the dog. Dave's lying in bed as normal. Yep, there's Michelle walking the dog, as she does every morning.
Morning.
Here we are, bright and early, having a cuppa outside the van.
And it's glorious. We've put the camera on now and the living sun has gone in.
Oh, that's lovely. Nice little sight, this.
Yeah, £10 a night. There's no showers or toilets or anything here, but for £10 a night, I mean, you can't go wrong.
There's water
really.
on else and black waste. Black waste, grey waste.
Yeah, and you can't get any flatter, really, can you?
I know, it's a lovely sight. We'll show you around.
You can hear a bit of traffic noise.
Yeah, but nothing when you're in the van. Nothing to complain about. Really nice little site. Plenty of room. And as Rhian says, lovely flat pictures. Sorted. Yeah, but ideal, just off the motorway. Not bad at all. Sure.
What's the plans for today then, Lev?
Today we are leaving here and heading off to Philimo Caravans, which is
About an hour away.
about an hour away from here, because we're heading over to Norfolk Warner Show. So we're staying at Philimo, which is only about 10 minutes away from the venue.
That's not. It's about an hour away from the venue. It's an hour away.
So I've got to do more driving.
Yeah. Fillmore is about an hour away from here.
Philimo. I thought we were going to Philimo.
Oh, is it Phillymore? Sorry. Phillymore is about an hour away from here, and then we've got an hour to go to.
New site tomorrow.
Yeah.
Can't remember the name of that, but we'll have a look.
getting ready to go. Putting the front down. And we're on our way to find gas. David's found a place 20 minutes away from here. En route, there's 79 pence.
Yeah, bargain.
So, bit of a bargain there. And yeah, Dave did my dishes for me this morning because we haven't got any water on board. But never mind, saved my hands. So, I'd just like to say, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bit of a mix-up. Well, not a bit of a mix-up, just a bit of different. It was the site and it was ads. And thanks ever so much again to Ads. If you haven't seen his channel, pop over to have a look at him. He's really fun and he's doing a fantastic build at the moment as well. So bye for now and ta-da, see you on the next one.
Ta-ra! I'm having a poo.
Oh my God.
Oh, what's occurring?